In this video, I show you how to confirm your identity to send messages. Certain action have been rusticated due to unusual activity problem on Messenger. For fixing this problem, open your Messenger app. Now click on menu icon. Now click on settings. Scroll down. Then click on see more in account center. Then click on your information and permission. Then click on identity confirmation. Then click on confirm your identity. After clicking here, you can enter see option selfie verification. Verify your selfie from here. I already verify my selfie. That's why I cannot see the feature now here. After verify your selfie, now I hope that this method fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.